Hello, Jai Gurudev everyone. I hope you have enjoyed the last video and you have learned how to find the LCM, right? Today I show you how to find the HCF. Are you all ready? Yes. Today we are learning how to find HCF. As I have told you before, HCF means highest common factor, right? See, here I have written two numbers, 12 and 24. We will find the HCF of 12 and 24. But before finding the HCF, we all have to find the factors and common factors of these two numbers. Then we can find the HCF. Just like LCM. LCM फाइंड करने के लिए हम पहले जैसे मल्टीपल्स फाइंड करते थे, फिर उसके बाद कॉमन मल्टीपल्स, देन वी कैन फाइंड LCM. Same for the HCF, right? But here we have to find the factors. Okay, what is the meaning of factors? Do you know? The numbers that are multiplied to get a product are called its factors. जो नंबर्स प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई किए जाते हैं वो नंबर्स को प्रोडक्ट के फैक्टर्स बोलते हैं, राइट? द नंबर्स दैट आर मल्टीप्लाइड टू गेट अ प्रोडक्ट आर कॉल्ड इट्स फैक्टर्स एंड वन इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर. सो we will find the factors of 12. पहले हम 12 के factors find कर रहे हैं. Okay. See, 11 ones are 11 and 12 ones are 12. So 12 and 1 both are the factors of the number 12. Now check the table of 2. 2 के टेबल में 2 को कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करवाते हैं तो 12 आता है. 2 6 are 12, right? Now check the table of 3. 3 के टेबल में 3 4s are 12, right? Now 4 3s are 12. As we have already put the marbles, we will not put it again. Okay. Now go to table of 5. Now 5 के टेबल में 12 नहीं आता है. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now move to table of 6. 6 2s are 12. As I have already put the marble, I will not put it again. Okay. Now go to 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 2s are 14. So 7 will not come. 8 will not come. 9 will not come. 10 will not come. 11 will not come. I have already put the marble for 12 ones are 12. So these are the factors of 12. We will write the factors of 12 over here. One, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12, right? Now let's move further. Factors of 24. Okay, we have already know that 24 ones are 24, right? Now 2 के टेबल में 24 कौन से नंबर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करवाते हैं तो 24 आता है, वो चेक करते, राइट? बट वी नो दैट 2 10s are 20. So 11 2s are 22 and 12 2s are 24. So 2 12, right? Now go to 3. 3 के टेबल में कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करवाएंगे तो 24 आएगा. 3 8s are 24, right? Now 4 6 are 24. 5 will not come. 6 we have done, 7 we will not come, 8 we have already done, 9 will not come, 10 will not come, 11 will not come, 12 we have done, 12 twos are 24, right? And last 24 ones are 24. So of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now we will find the common factors. Common factors means factors of 12 and 24. दोनों में जो common है वो find करना है, right? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 will not come as a common factor. 8 common factor में नहीं आएगा क्योंकि 8 सिर्फ 24 का फैक्टर है, राइट? 12 will come as a common factor. And 24. See, again 24 will not come as a common factor because 24 12 का फैक्टर नहीं है, right? So we are writing the common factors over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Right? Now HCF means highest common factor. See, हमें common factors मिले हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. In this, which is the highest common factor? Highest common factor is 12, right? So our HCF will be 12, right? You can also play this by glasses, right? आप अपने घर पे ग्लासेस है उसमें भी आप ऐसे कर सकते हो. मार्बल्स तो अभी सबके पास होती है, आप खेलते होंगे ना. So try this activity at your home also. Okay.